So we're going to be doing a little baking with Sammy. Not really baking, this is a chilled treat. This is an apple swirl treat for dogs, where we're going to use a half a cup of applesauce. If he doesn't eat it before I bake it. A half a cup of pumpkin. And 1 cup of yogurt. If he doesn't eat it all before I put it into the dishes. Hold it, Sam. We're going to mix the pumpkin and the applesauce together. Yes, look at this, yummy. And it's getting into the yogurt too. Let's just put some yogurt in here. And we'll stir, right? Yeah. Yeah, nothing like licking the bowl, right? Stir it all up. Here, you want to finish licking this bowl? Go right ahead. It's going to go in the dishwasher anyway. So this is what it looks like, and you're just going to stir it, get into a nice swirl. Yeah. It's going to be nice and nutritious for them. Pumpkin, yogurt, applesauce. All good things for dogs. So of course he's eating it before I can even get it into the molds. Sam, it's supposed to be frozen. And you're making a mess out of my stuff. Oh, cooking with a dog. And I will say, tastes pretty good, pumpkin flavored yogurt. Here, Tigers, you want some? Here. Whoop. Let Tiger have some. Sam, you're a hog. Well, Sammy likes it before it's frozen. Well, this is what it's supposed to look like. Sammy ate some of the batter, so didn't quite make all the hearts, but this should be good. You gotta freeze them for 3 hours, and then you give them to them frozen. And we'll check back with us later and see how much they liked them. So, they've been frozen. It looks like they're going to be easy to get out of the little tray. Oh, they are. Very easy. Want one, Sam? Here, want one, Tigers? Yep. Here. Okay, that should do you. You had a couple each.